Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, SeMet, 90 vegetarian capsules. Product Overview Description. Selenomethionine, a natural form of selenium premium vegan non-GMO gluten-free dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing Quality Assured Independent Testing. Discussion. SeMet is selenomethionine, a superior form of selenium found in plants when grown in exceedingly selenium-rich soil. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule daily with a meal, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, capsule, hydroxypropyl cellulose purified water, sodium stearyl fumarate, and maltodextrin. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, egg, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Consult your physician if you are pregnant or lactating, or if you have a medical condition, or are taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.